Hi everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to find the sum of odd digits of a number in Java. So let's get started. So first thing, we will be getting a number as the input from the user. So for this we will be using the scanner class. So it's going to be import java.util, and inside this capital S we'll be having the scanner class. So just import the scanner class alone, don't import every other thing inside util. So after this we will be having scanner input equal to new scanner, and within bracket we'll be having system.in, and the next line let int n be by number equal to input dot, we'll be having next int, yeah, and have next int don't go with next line or something because next int is of type integer. So what we will be doing is that we will be using a while loop and basically separating each and every single digit, check if it is an odd number or not, and if it is an odd number we will be adding it to our variable sum and storing it. So it's exactly the same way of finding the sum of digits of a number, but just we will be having a if condition to check whether that particular number is odd or not. So I'll be going with the while loop. So it's going to be while, and I will be checking if number greater than 0. Just open curly brackets, yeah, and here we need to also have two variables. As I told you, one variable we need to store the remainder, which is going to be the last digit that we extract from our number. So let me just have another variable int r, and we won't assign this, okay, just have it empty. And next variable is going to be a sum, okay, where we are going to like store the sum of the odd digits. So we need to initialize that to 0 to avoid any junk value. So we are initializing to 0. The first step is we will be like extracting the last digit of our number. So let's suppose say that our number is 123. We need to get only 3 from this particular number. So for this what we will do is we will just do that number modulus of 10. This basically gives us the last digit. So if the number is 12 and we need the last digit 2, we need to just do modulus of 10. This will give us the remainder basically. So this is the first step that we will be doing to extract the last digit of that number. So I will be having here r, which is our remainder variable, equal to our number modulus of 10, right? And the next line here we will be having the condition if that particular digit is odd number or not. So if number modulus of 2 not equal to 0, or you can have number modulus of 2 equal to 1. So it's either of the condition works fine, but I'll go with not equal to 0, which means that if the number modulus of 2 is equal to 0, it is an even number, and if number modulus of 2 is not equal to 0, it is an odd number. So simple condition over here. And in the next line we will be having the sum inside this if condition, because we are not going to add every digit of that number. All right, so here we'll be having sum equal to sum plus r. So only if that number is odd we will be allowing it to be added to the sum variable, else nothing, it will just not come inside the if condition itself. So now we are done. Now we have extracted the last digit, we are adding it to our sum variable, we are checking it and adding it to the sum variable. So the final thing what we need to do is we need to continue the same process for each and every digit. Now we are doing only for the last digit, right? We need to do it for 2, we need to do it for 1, or any other digit that is present in our number. So for this what we need to do is we need to just remove the last digit and give out the number. So let's suppose say that our number is 123. During the first while loop iteration, after the first loop iteration we need to change this number to 12, and after that we need to change the number to 1, and after that the number should be 0. So this is what we need to do. We need to basically like remove the last digit from our number. So now we need to find a way to remove the last digit of the number, okay, and store it in the number variable itself. So for this what we will be doing is we will have number equal to number slash 10. Alright, we need to just assign this particular quotient to that number itself after dividing by 10. So we have 123. So to make 123 to 12, we need to just do 123 slash 10, because 120 is divisible by 10. This returns the quotient. So 12 is going to be the quotient for us. So we will get 12. And what if to make 12 to 1? We will do the same thing. and 10 is divisible, so we are having the remainder as 2, whereas the quotient here is going to be 1. So exactly same thing, and after that 1 slash 10 will give us 0. So we need to have this n equal to n slash 10. So during the last iteration of our number, this is the first iteration, second iteration, third, and this is the last iteration, our number becomes 0. So at the end our number will be 0 greater than 0, this condition, and this condition becomes false and the while loop terminates and we'll be just printing the sum at the end. So this is how it works, guys, the program. And finally we'll just print our sum. Yeah, sys out. I'll just print the sum, variable sum. Yeah, saving it, and for compiling it's Java C to compile the program. And Java. Okay, so I need to enter a number. Yeah, I didn't give any text, so I will go with 1 2 7 5 3. Okay, so what are the odd numbers? 1 7 5 and 3, that is 16. We need to get the output as 16. So I'm getting the output as 16. Let me go with another 1 also. Let me go with 2 4 6 8 7 9 0 and 1. So this time I need to get the output as 7 9 1. So I need to get the output as 17. I'm getting 17. So this is it, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done many programming tutorials in Java, C, C++, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, Spring Boot, CRUD operations. So check them, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.